Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a game of odd one out. Like we all have done such kind of activities in our books also, like how to pick the odd one out. So one such game we are going to make. That is, we are going to insert different animals on our screen and or on our game, and we'll select the animal which is odd from that. So let's start. First we'll open our Scratch Junior app like this. Then we'll click on this home button, and you will see all your previous projects that you have created till now. If you want to work on any of them, you can select that, or if you want to make a new project like we are going to do now, we'll click on this plus button. Then a new window will appear. So let's say we are going to choose a odd animal from for first we are going to place what we are going to place animals. So let's select, we'll click on plus button, and let's select like a dog. We'll place it here. We'll select one more animal. Let's say a chicken. Okay. Then we are going to select one more animal. Let's say a rabbit. And then we'll select one more animal. Let's say a pig. Okay. So we have selected four different animals, and as you can see the background is a completely white. We need to insert a good background picture. Let's say all these animals are on a farm, so let's select a picture of farm. First we'll click on this, and the very first picture you will see it is of farm. I'll click on this, and then it will be inserted here. Okay. Now you will see that all the animals are facing towards right only. So let's make them face towards left. What I'll do, I'll select this chicken and I'll click on this draw button. Okay. Then what are we going to do? Okay. So let's continue. So what we are going to do, now we have inserted all our animals. Then we are going to make them move. How? The three animals we are going to make them move in a same way, and the fourth one it will move in a different way. That is how we are going to pick the odd one. So let's start writing the blocks for this. First we'll select the this one, like first for this sprite, what are we going to do? We'll select the event block, and we'll select a green flag. Then we are going to wait. For that we'll go to this control block and use the wait. Then we will make it move. How to make it move? For that we have the motion block. I'll click on this arrow button and I'll click on this. Let's say keep it as one only. Then are this sprite, this is going to move in a farm, so we'll keep it moving like this. First right, then up, then we can select left, and then down. Okay. And then it should keep on repeating that, like it should keep on moving For that, we'll go to the last one and we'll select this line. Now, remember this. The way we are doing this, the same step are to be done for every other animal also. For dog, what did we do? First, we'll select the green flag. Then, we'll select the wait block. We can change the time it as like 20. Next, to make it move, we'll go to the arrow buttons. I'll select the right one, then up, then left, and then down. After that, we'll click on this red block and we'll select this forever. Similarly, for chicken, what we are going to do first, a green flag, then we are going to put the wait block, keep on increasing the time like let's say 25. Then we'll make it move right, up, left, down. After that, we'll repeat this process again and again. For pig also, let's leave for rabbit, or we can do this thing that for rabbit we will select that this is going to move. This is the odd one out, so it is going to move in different way. How to do that? First, we'll select our green flag, then we'll select the wait block. Let's keep the time anything like 30. Now, all others were moving like this, but the rabbit is going to move in a different way. That is why it is odd. So let's insert some different code. First, we'll move it right, then up, and then left and down. This was same for other animals. So let's insert down once again, or maybe like this thrice. Then we want this process to repeat it forever. For that, we'll go to this red block and we'll select this forever block. Okay. And for pig, it is going to be same because pig is not odd one out. So first we'll click on the green flag. Then we'll go to the control block. There we'll insert the time wait block like this one, and we'll insert the time as 30. Then the same arrow key that we have used for previous animals, like right, up, left, down, and we want this process to be repeated. We'll go to the red block and we'll use this forever. Okay, so like this we have created. Now let's check. I'll click on this green flag and you will see all other animals are moving, but a rabbit is moving more. See? Okay, so what we are going to do, there is one more thing. We can insert some like that it will say something. Okay, what we are going to do, for dog, let's select for this tick. We can do something that when I click on this, okay, then it will say I'm not the odd one out. Okay, so what are we going to do? First we'll select the event block and we'll select this tab, start on tab. You click on this, place it here, then it is going to say something. For that we'll use the say block. We'll go to this purple and we'll click on this and insert it here. Then we are going to change this, like in place of I, it will say not I, like I'm not the odd one out. Okay, same for the dog. We'll select the when tap and we'll select the this one. It will also say not I. Then for chicken, same process. I'll click on this and we'll click on this. This is also not I. But rabbit is odd one out. So when I click on this, it will say and will say that you. That means you are the odd one out. And there is one more pig. For pig, as pig is not odd one out, we'll select repeat the process. It will also say not I. Now let's check. When I click on this green flag, all of them start moving. And when I click on any this, it's like that. Okay. See, but when I click on the rabbit, as it is moving odd one out, it is saying you. Like this is that I'm telling the rabbit that you are the odd one out. When I click on hen, chicken, it is saying not I. Pig is also saying not I. Dog is also saying not I. But rabbit is saying you. Okay. And we can select if you want to increase the size of your screen, that is in presentation mode. What we can do, we can click on this and you will see the size will increase. Not I, not I. Okay, but this is you. When you want to exit the presentation mode, we can click on this and it will go back. So this was about the game picking the odd one out. Follow the steps that I've told you in the video and make your own game like this. And if you want, you can do the changes according to you. So that is all for this video. Thank you.